All right, decimals multiplication. Multiplication of decimals is not that different from multiplication you've learned with whole numbers. The only difference is the number of digits to the right of the decimal point in the product. Okay, so this is the product. The number of decimal places in the product is the sum of the number of digits to the right of the decimal point of the factors. Okay, what does this mean? Let's look at this very first example. 0.7 times 0.2. Okay, we do this normally. Okay, so I'm going to start over down here and actually do a brand new one. So 2 times 7 is 14. Okay, and now all we do is we take the sum, so we figure out how many digits to the right of the decimal point in these two factors. Okay, so there's one decimal place here, and there's another one over here. So there's a total of 2 decimal places. So all we do is, for the product will have 2 decimal places. So where would I put the decimal point? I put it here, because now this has 2 decimal places. Okay, so decimal multiplication, it's the same, uses the same rules as multiplication for whole numbers, except the very last step is you got to figure out how many decimal places do you need. Also important to note, and which we'll see in some of the skills, is if needed, you need to add zeros as placeholders, if needed.